Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. The Silverado is featured in the LT Trail Boss trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as black assist steps, gloss black alloy wheels, our heated front bucket seats, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, hitch guidelines, as well as hitch view, a spray-on bed liner with in-bed lighting, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks. Below on the door panel itself, we can see our powered outside mirror controls, rear window lock, as well as our power windows. Bottom of the door has some additional storage, as well as our Bose speaker. Just up to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode, as well as all the controls for our transfer case. Below, we have our lighting controls, including our in-bed lighting. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have all of our power controls. You can also see the seat here finished in our jet black leather and heated in the front of the vehicle. Getting inside and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is our cruise settings, as well as our heated steering wheel button. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has all of our hands-free, as well as our controls to adjust what is on our display cluster. Moving to the center, we can see our infotainment system. If we hit the home button below, you can see we have AM/FM audio, Sirius XM, as well as Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot available. If we swipe to the right, we can also see Chevrolet Maps Plus. If we hit our camera, we can see our backup camera with adaptive guidelines, hitch guidelines, as well as our hitch view. Below this is some extra controls if we don't want to be using the touchscreen. Our dual zone front climate control. And below that is our heated seats for the driver and the passenger. Push to start ignition on the left-hand side. Across the bottom, some buttons for our downhill assist, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and our various 115 volt plugs. We have an integrated trailer brake controller, a USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and 115 volt plug. Some storage below that, as well as our cup holders with storage in the center. You can see our center console here. We have some more storage up top. We can also see our key. We have our locks and unlocks, a remote start system, power tailgate, as well as an alarm system. Opening our center console through a button on the front, we can see we have some deep storage, as well as an SD slot, a USB-C, USB, and auxiliary input. Passenger seat is also finished in our black cloth and is also heated. Then moving above our rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, rear check reminder button, lighting controls, our power third rear window, and a universal garage door opener. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. On the front of the vehicle, we have our 3M protective covering. Moving down to our front tire and rim, we can see our black alloy finish with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap, as well as our 2-inch factory lift. Walking across, black outside mirrors, black door handles, as well as black assist steps. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see we have dual chrome exhaust, Silverado and LT badging. Backup camera on the left-hand side, power tailgate with one-click release. Inside the bed, in-bed lighting, 115 volt plugs, as well as all our tie-downs in the front and back, and a bed liner across the bottom. Moving into the back of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as our storage and our Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver, as well as the passenger seat. Between the two front seats, we have storage on top for our cups, as well as a USB, USB-C, and a 12 volt plug for charging. Moving to the seats themselves, we can see they're all finished in our jet black cloth. In the center seat, we have two more foldable cup holders, as well as some storage in the middle. Power sliding third rear window, Then in the outside seats, we have our storage package. You can see we have storage in the back of the seats. You can also flip up these seats by simply pressing up on the bottom. And we can see we have storage underneath in a 60/40 folding fashion, as well as all-weather mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.